Let me guess, it's 2026 and you want to get into the web development, but you are terrified. You are hearing that the market is oversaturated or that AI has already replaced junior developers. Stop that noise. Here's the reality. The way you code has changed, but the demand for people who can build problem solving software hasn't gone anywhere. If you want to be a developer in this year, then you have to stop another 400 hours Udemy course or follow some 2022 roadmap you found on Reddit. You need a modern roadmap that ignores the hype and focus on getting you hired. Today I am giving you that exact 4-step roadmap, and yes, this works even if you have never written a single line of code before. Let's go. Before we dive into the step 1, I have a quick question. What is your biggest frustration right now? Are there too many tutorials? Is it fear of JavaScript or fear of AI? Let me know in the comments. It actually helps me to make better videos for you. HTML, CSS and JavaScript is the foundation. You can't skip this, but we are changing the way. In case of HTML and CSS, don't spend months on it. In 2026, you use Tailwind CSS or AI-assisted styling. Your goal is to understand structure and flexbox. If you can't look at a website and see the boxes it makes up, you can prompt an AI to build it for you. JavaScript is the most important skill. Don't focus on making things pretty. Focus on data. How does a like button update a database? How does a search bar filter a list? In 2026, you don't just learn React. Learn to build full-stack app from day one. Start with TypeScript, which means JavaScript with rules. It stops you from making stupid mistakes before you even run your code. Next.js is the industry standard. It handles your front end and your backend in one place. And Superbase is your backend as a service. In 2026, you don't need to spend months learning complex database management. You need to know how to store user data and fetch it. The secret sauce? Prompt engineering for developers. You should be using tools like Cursor or GitHub Copilot. But here's the rule. Never copy-paste code you don't understand. If the AI writes a function, makes it explain the logic to you line by line. Stop building to-do list and weather apps. Every beginner has those on their GitHub. They are invisible to recruiters. To get hired or start a freelance business in 2026, you need a niche product. Build a specialized CRM for your local business shop. Build an AI-powered study tools for your specific major in college. Build a real-time database for a hobby you love. Focus on the user experience. Does it solve a problem? Is it deployed on the real URL? If the answer is yes, you're already ahead of 90% of your competition. Coding is now 40% writing logic and 60% communication. You need to be able to explain why you choose a specific technology. Start a built-in public account on LinkedIn. Post your struggles, your bugs, and your wins. In 2026, your personal brand is your resume. Here's the truth. You don't need a computer science degree. You don't need to be a math genius. You just need consistency and right roadmap. The developers landing jobs in 2026 are the ones who can prove they can build things. That's why projects matter more than certificates. Don't just watch roadmap videos. Go open your code editor and start today.